Here's your cup. Here you go. No, Mom's not gonna hold it. You gotta hold it. Mom is trying to videotape it and teach the child how to do cup. Here you go. You gotta hold it. Oh, honey. You gotta hold it. Mmm. Put your hands on it. There you go. Yep. Now just dump it. Dump it for you. Keep going.
Nice, another goal.
Go ahead.
5-0.
Good. Riley. Drink your milk. You can do it. Here you go. Well, we're getting there.